Yo!
Game 3. Luke Feeney's cheating.
Yes, I love guilting Luke.
Yeah, that's Saturday too.
Yeah, so I got looking up in park like that.
Saturday pretty much every round too.
Can you shove a parallel to the table, Luke?
Can I start too? Fuck, I would have raped you. Wouldn't even been a fucking contest. Your cards that do nothing would have done worse.
Did you,
this is not mid.
What?
This is not mid.
Yeah, stack it.
What? Sounds alright.
Sure, no, this will be fucking tough. God damn it. I thought I least game 1.
Pretty much I wouldn't, you know.
I dropped turn down.
I just started playing the game
2
years ago. So like right at the top of like the land format. Yeah, like right when I was getting in his way, X-Sabers were going out. Like right before they reprinted Ember's Blade.
Going in with the Luke Feeney.
Yeah. So I had a rough time getting into it. But it's been fun, yeah. Crazy. Because like all my other friends have been playing for years, and like I went to college and they're like, yo, you should play Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm just like, I haven't played Yu-Gi-Oh! Since like 6th grade.
Someone has chicken codes.
Well, you wouldn't happen to have
And miss Divine Spec Typhoon.
Crack.
They are.
Dude's tiny bitch.
Like 5 minutes. They have DT. They have DT ones for 10.
Oh, hard. Tower
Yo, are you
here.
recording this?
Yes, I am.
Check out Dogman7 Furman.
Alright, unsubscribe from that guy.
What? I thought you loved me. Dude, you can't afford first sets.
Yeah, they're mine.
Okay, that's what I said. Yo, you still on me.
What?
I have your damage one still.
Oh, yeah.
You should have just gone banned.
Oh, hard.
Oh, okay, McCabe.
Why is there you sold it like nothing. What happened to you like the deck you saw? I already told him,
Sick rip, Rob.
Alright, finally you can sit down now.
Where you at? What? Where you at?
I'm at 55 to your 75.
Examine test? What? Examine test? Sure.
I'll actually allow it.
Yeah.
I'll just allow you to examine.
Alright, sure. You hear that?
No, I'm not. Let's go. Yes, Rob. Eat it.
Did Luke Feeney draw a play?
Yes.
Did you tour guide?
No.
Your cards don't do anything.
I'm gonna reveal the video.
Okay. Your one? Is that your personal one?
I'll play power on him.
Why is Priestess in diagonal position?
Because it doesn't know whether it wants to be attacked.
I don't know, it looked like defense to me.
Yo, no one's coming over tonight?
No.
Yes.
No.
You said we could. Yo, where's your card? Your Christmas card. Is it amazing?
It's broken. Just look on the inside picture. That's all you need to see. It's hysterical.
Yo, Mark, did you get this on video?
What?
Flavor's Christmas card for him?
Oh, God.
Ski! Are you done?
No.
You still have a win condition.
Cut the deck, Rob.
Luke, unless you draw a tour guide, you're not actually doing anything.
I haven't really drawn my card.
Can this card just be heavy?
It's not bad.
Attack over.
Oh yeah, searching anyway.
What are you searching for?
The search position, you're drawing storm.
So hard, Mark.
Where the fuck did you get these things? What's this do? Does this pop any card?
Pops any card.
His cards don't do anything. You do realize that, right?
I could even pop rivalry, Rob. Alright, so like a solid plus 10 on Rob last game.
Alright, it's easier to record from here. Fuck it.
Top.
I know you're too happy to top.
What, you're looking at his deck?
Nope, none of that, go.
I think you just talked to your deck.
Scoop it up. Scoop it up, Rob. You ain't got shit, sure.
Try Infinity cheat.
What?
Try Infinity cheat.
Yeah.
Good. What am I at?
You're 55.
Okay, your card sensitivity. Yo, can you kill someone in less than 3 turns?
You're asking way too much.
When are you doing this? Having all these cards in your draw phase doesn't seem right. Judge Martin! Can't I get a fucking Veiler?
No. 25.
Done?
I'm gonna set one.
Still going on.
Yeah.
Yep. Great Rob. Is this for game?
It's game 3.
I want to see what I'm at.
Actually, the very skinny my other
What do you got?
I'm at 51, you're at 3,000.
That's good?
That's fine.
Back. Good.
You're acting like I'm not going to rate you.
Well, the past 5 turns, you haven't done anything.
No, he said he's
You're selling card does something.
I'm just acknowledging cards do things.
Yes, only this card.
Oh my god.
You're only beating me because you're drawing staples.
Yeah, Rivalry is actually the only card actually doing something.
It makes a difference. I have like double Veiler, Compost, Trench.
None of that matters. I have Heavy Storm. I just can't play it because of Rivalry. Reveal what? Reveal what?
I revealed secrets, faggot.
Reveal what?
I'd be near fucking dead.
And why don't you just kill him?
What?
You know I just drew 6 cards and none of them did anything?
You know you blind space and lost the game because of it, faggot.
Alright, Luke Feeney went to bat.
You don't blind space, you two.
You blind space every fucking game!